Good day guys and welcome back to the channel. So basically I'll tell you this for free. I started crypto arbitrage trading since 2020 and up to this time I've not lacked $2, $3, $5 in my wallet because of arbitrage trading. So if crypto trading is not for you, then arbitrage trading might just be for you. Unlike crypto trading, arbitrage trading does with price exploitation. So we are not trading, we are just finding prices that are exploitable and we exploit. I mean, that's the basics, right? That's the easiest way to explain it, right? So if you're interested in arbitrage trading, learning from basics to advanced stage, then we have a mentorship program just for you, right? You get access to the course material, you get access to tools we use, you get access to opportunities that a lot of people might not get in this YouTube channel, right? And the best part is once you get started with the mentorship program, you get added to a signal group for free. This signal group is where my team and I send free updates on prices that are exploitable as at when it's available for you to start making money as you are learning, right? So as you get started with the learning, we'll be getting updates on the free signal group where you'll be taking the trades and be earning as you learn, right? Now this is one of the advantages of the mentorship program. So the price is actually very cheap right now. You can DM me through WhatsApp or through Telegram and send me a direct message, right, and get started instantly. So for the video of the day, let's dive right into it. So first things first, I'm using Binance for this. I'll be showing you a triangular arbitrage strategy I use to earn consistently, and this is one of the things you'll be learning as well, right? So go over to the trade area where we're looking for a coin that we exploit, right? And if you want to exploit the price should be actually different. Right. Now there are a lot of coins in this exchange, but don't get confused that every coin you come across will have a exploitable price difference. No, it doesn't work like that. I mean, you have to take your time and find those coins, and that's why it's good to have a mentorship program where I show you a breakdown of how to boycott those processes, right? So this strategy I'll be showing you in this video is what I'll be using to exploit any coin of my choice, right? Now, I'll be splitting a popular coin. Remember, he said that exploiting popular coin is hard, but I'll do it and I'll show you in this video, right? Now, first things first, search for this project called Dogecoin. I mean, everybody knows it, right? This is one of the most popular coins in the crypto market. Now, we will buy Doge with BTC first of all. So go over and find Doge BTC. So if you have USDT, sell it to BTC. We'll be using BTC for this purpose. Now we'll be purchasing $500 worth of Dogecoin. So before that, let's find how much $500 will be in BTC. So BTC USDT, let me put $500. So currently $500, see the current price. So $500 is 0.00694 BTC. So keep that locked, right? Now let's go back to Doge BTC. So we're buying at the current price. We are not setting any limit order. We are buying instantly. So we put the amounts here. We'll be buying with $500. Now this is $500 worth of Dogecoin. So just copy it out, right? Now let me show you how where you will sell. Now if you see here, you see that Doge is very popular. That it has pairs on USDT, FDUSD, USDC, BRL, Euro, JPY, USD1. Some of them are stable coins, some of them are not, right? But basically the pairs there. Now instead of selling in USDT, because you can see the price is even lower there, we will go over here on FDUSD. So that coin we bought, that Dogecoin we bought, we'll be selling it to FDUSD. Now this FDUSD is the stable coin, like it's like dollars, it's the same thing as dollars. So we're selling it at a current price, which is this one, or let me just put it at the same thing basically. So we got $500 worth of, which is 5,421. So let's just paste it in. So with our $500, we'll be making $3 from this particular project. Now when I saw this earlier, the price was higher, but before I recorded, the price has corrected. Now see, that's one thing with arbitrage trading, the price keeps correcting and getting exploited, right? So basically the more you are here, you see the price be correcting, so you have to be fast. That's one of the things you should know, right? But this strategy will show you pairs on coins that are even popular, and when they are available, right? So that's basically one of the strategies I have and I used to make consistently. I mean, you say $500 is much to use. Basically, it doesn't matter. The main thing is turnover. How many times can you do it? How many times can you do it to make money and recover your funds, right? That's basically it. Now, if you set this to FD, if you set this Dodge to USD, right, you might be getting a lesser amount, right? You can see the price here is correcting. So because the pairs are a lot, that's why you need to find the one with the highest price and sell it to, right? Now this is one of the reasons mentorship is actually good, right? Because a lot of things you might watch on YouTube might be half-baked because nobody will share the real thing there, right? But if you're in the mentorship program, you get the real deal, right? Normally you will hear popular projects cannot be exploited, but you can see that popular coins are getting exploited every day behind your back. Right now you can see the price are even correcting here, and the FDSD is still stronger, so you have to understand why this is, right? And if you don't have any mentorship, it's not what you can Google. You cannot find it in Google. You cannot find this is learned through experience, first-hand experience, right? And the best part is even you get signals as you learn. All these updates, when they're available, you can get sent to the signal group and you can exploit them. Remember, they are time sensitive as well, and that's just the truth. You can see the prices are correcting, and if you waste much time, it will correct to no profit, right? So that's one of the reasons you have to learn this yourself and start earning by yourself. You can be in your house in the middle of the night and you get $3 or $5 or $10 depending on the price. When I saw this, it was $10 price difference. Now before I do the video explain everything, before I get to this stage again, it is $3. The price have corrected and I can no longer go ahead and execute it. Now I will have to find other pairs that I can execute, and it's actually very simple to find these things, right? Yeah, so that's just it. Yeah, if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share this video to those that might be interested in them. I mean, that's basically how we grow. So let's go.